Sorry folks, I have to do part 2 of this video because that oil pan bolt wouldn't actually budge. It was on strong, man. It won't budge, yo. I didn't have a hammer, so I trusted bigger wrench, you know. I had to bang it like this, you know, and this and this, and finally I got it loose. So that's sorry folks, you know. I don't want it to be a one video, but it's gonna be a 2-part video, unfortunately. But you know, what can you do, mate? Okay, here we go. Can you see? This is the. It won't move, man. It won't move. So we're gonna do it slowly. So the pressure is gonna push it out. It's gonna go everywhere. You do it slowly, slowly but surely. Be gentle, like it's a little baby, and then it's just gonna come out so fast, mate. Yes, I'm listening to Tupac. Yes, that's real. Oh, there you go. See. Ooh, you see that? Let it drain, mate. You know. Well, let's put this here. It's draining. It's going to pan, you know. Wow, brilliant. First the oil filter won't budge, then the bloody bolt won't budge, but it's how good I got to it, mate, you know. And it's my weekend, you know, off work, you know, today and tomorrow. Get to see my daughter, so I'll be chilling with her. She's 7 years old. So it's almost drained, you know. Let's put it a bit here. They all drain. And then I put the bolt back in again, you know. And then I'll just fill it up. Then let's let it do its thing. And then let's clean it. Clean my gloves. The oily gloves, you know. Then we'll get the bolt. We'll clean that a bit as well, you know. There. It's got a bit of duct tape on there. So good. I'll leave the duct tape on. It's my trademark. The duct tape master. Duct tape you can use for anything, you know. It's good for so many stuff. I tell people, I am the brown redneck, you know. God bless America. And God bless everyone. And everyone I mean. Drip, drip. It's taking a few minutes to drip it all out. Drip, drip. So after this, we'll see how many miles it is, and then I think I will change the oil again. Another 3,000 miles to do, and just keep doing it 3,000. Another 2 oil changes I probably have to do, you know. Hopefully I'll get rid of this 2017 Nissan Versa within a year, so and then I'm gonna go for a Toyota Corolla or a Camry. Probably most likely a 2020 or 21 or maybe 22, we'll see. I don't know, if you get a brand new car, it loses its value like 3,000-4,000 as soon as you take it up the dealership. Who cares? I want the new stuff, you know. I'll have the old stuff, I'll have a car dealership, and that's why I'm showing you people how to do stuff. Because I want to learn how to become a mechanic. I will go to trade school so I can fix my clients' cars if need be. But most majority of people who buy cars from me, I would advise them to take up warranty, you know, so obviously there'll be used cars I'll buy from auctions and stuff, you know. Lower the mileage, the better it is, because anything below 150,000 miles, they will allow, you know, to get warranty and stuff, generally for 3 years, sometimes maybe 5 years, depending on the warranty company and so forth. And if you do get a car from a dealership, please make sure you get gap insurance just in case you total your car and they pays it off. You know, even if you got fully comprehensive Insurance which you need if you got it in finance, so forth, it will pay off. Okay, we're gonna let drip, 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 drip. Come on. Is that it? Is that all you got? Well, we'll just use the rag. I can't be bothered waiting. Because the time is probably, let me see. It's 3 o'clock and I gotta get my daughter. She's getting dropped off by my ex-wife at 4 o'clock. So we've got an hour to chill. Maybe make some food, clean up and stuff off, you know. Because my daughter she loves to follow me around. Alright, let's get the boat on. Here we go. Where is that bloody hole? That's what she said. Oh, there we go. Come on, yeah, bloody get. Oh, there it is. Where did it get? Alright, fuck you then. Here we go. Ah, my hands, that fuck. Alright. There you are. There you are. See? I had to do that. Sorry, Walmart, I missed your car parking lot. I don't care, I used to work here once upon a time, you know. And that's it. It's done, you know. Let me just grab a rag. Where's the bloody rag? Clean my glove off a bit. And then we'll do that. Clean off a bit. We'll do that to the side. Then what do I do with the bloody dirty oil, man? We haven't done that shit, dude. Alright. We'll clean the Walmart parking lot too, you know. It'll be good. Good to the environment. Like they say, cleanliness is next to godliness, you know. So, sorry about the 2-pack music, but that's what I listen to. Sorry, but that's it, guys. We do it the wrong way. Come here, dirty old wench. There you go. Bob's your anchor and Fanny's your auntie, as we British would say. Okay, we're gonna put the oil in here. Let's get that out. If you don't have a funnel, DIY it then. A water bar will do. Pop that in there. There you go. Do this. I'll put it here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. The camera.